the thrill to be able to bring a story about Oscar Wilde to Dublin, to Ireland, and to be here now next to where he lived is very exciting for me.
Tell me about what you love about Wilde. I mean, I know it's probably easy to say there's many different things I could probably roll off that I know why you would like Wilde, but are there other reasons beyond what people might see as the obvious reasons why you're drawn to him?
I think what I love about him in this story is that for me, in terms of literature in the 19th century, which is my favorite era, I suppose along with Verlaine, he is the last great vagabond of the 19th century. I mean, this fall from stardom, which was just extraordinary and shocked the whole world, really. Everybody in the world knew about it because he was one of the first famous people for being famous, apart from anything else, that was a rare thing. You know, you could be a successful writer or a painter or an actor, but he was, and he was a famous writer, but he was also famous for his character, for the way he lit up rooms and, you know, kept the whole Café Royal in thrall. And this humiliation in the Old Bailey was just such a huge thing. And his imprisonment and with hard labor, and then his exile in the north of France, and then the fact that he went back to the boyfriend who he'd said he'd never talk to again in his life. It's such an amazing, you know, double. I mean, just the most. All of it's just the most extraordinary story, and then once he'd done that, how that blew every single thing that he might have achieved afterwards out of the water. Seeing his family again, seeing his children again. So all these things that he did were just so incredible. And then ending up on the streets, shuffling around Paris with holes in his shoes, slightly toothless, smelling of sweat and piss. It's a marvelous story of a kind of rake's progress or riches to rags.